Hello and welcome back everyone. So today is a brief lecture in which we will be looking into some of the ways in which we can classify local anesthetics. So there are many different ways of classification. One of those methods of classification is based on the mode of application of local anesthetics, being either injectable or non-injectable. Injectable can be further classified based on the time of onset as short-acting, which include the ever so famous drug procaine and chloroprocaine, the medium-acting, which includes the most commonly used local anesthetic in dental clinics, which is the lidocaine and also prilocaine, and finally the long-acting, which includes drugs like tetracaine, bupivacaine, among many others. Similarly, there are the non-injectable local anesthetics, the ones that are applied topically, which includes drugs such as lidocaine, cocaine, tetracaine, among many others. So this classification is a rather important one because it is very valuable in our everyday clinical dental practices. So another more widely used classification is based on the chemical structures of the local anesthetics. To understand that, let's briefly look into the chemical structure of a local anesthetic agent. So the basic structure of a local anesthetic agent consists of a lipophilic part, which is the aromatic in nature, the hydrophilic part, which is an amino derivative of either ethyl alcohol or acetic acid, and finally the intermediate part, which links the two sides together. Now based on this intermediate chain, the local anesthetic can either be classified into amino esters containing an ester linkage, which includes drugs like procaine, propoxycaine, tetracaine, and many others, or they can be classified into amino amides, which contain an amide linkage, which includes drugs like lidocaine, mepivacaine, bupivacaine, and many others. The reason why they are classified based on the intermediate chain is because the nature of the linkage is important in defining several properties of local anesthetics, including even the basic mode of biotransformation in the human body. Therefore, this classification is also a rather important one to remember. So these were the two ways in which we can classify local anesthetics. But remember, there are also many other ways of classification, but I have mentioned only these two methods because these are mentioned in most books and literature around the world, and also they hold a very significant value in our normal clinical dental practices. So I hope you like this video. Please take care of yourselves and I will see you people next time. Goodbye.